Alright, here's my car, 22 GT. I got a few mods done, recently installed headers. Purpose of this video is just to give you an idea of what, there's a lot of videos out there already, but this is my particular setup. I like the active exhaust that I have with the headers. It sounds good, but I'm going Borla, so I gotta get this video in for so I'm able to compare later on. Just go through all the modes for y'all. Car's tuned by AED and Sean over at AED. Really good tune. Car makes good power. Car flies as fuck when you put it in track mode, but you know, what do you expect with headers that are free flowing, whatever you want to call it these days. Please don't get me Joe Biden, fucking moron. But anyway, it's my Mustang. Get you some revs.